Alright, in previous video we have successfully installed our WordPress website using WP-CLI. We have created our database. In this video we will be going along to learn few more important things which are useful after our installation. Alright, so I am opening my terminal. If you don't know how to do that, you have to simply go to your folder and you have to click here cmd and enter on Windows. Obviously on your other operating system you can open your terminal accordingly. Alright, so what we will be doing now? First of all, we can simply change title of our website or name of our website. How to do that? We can simply go to WP option command like WP option update blog name, and we can set it to like this. Alright, it got us success, and now if we just view our website, so we will be seeing our change. That's how we do these things. Why it is important? Because at times for our standard installations we following standard approach like name of the website as the name, like in our previous case test, we were using test admin and password admin, etc. So after the installation is done, though we can do all these things during the installation, like we should have passed my test here, but the purpose is to show you few commands so you can know if you made any of the mistakes during your installation and now you want to update those things, how you will be doing. All right, so now if you want to give access to one of your other partner or your client and you want to create that user admin, you can do that too. So how to do that? So for that we can use WP user create command. User create. So we can say that admin anything like we want to say. For example, we can say new admin, and we can set email to new at email.com, and then we can main thing is to provide the role. So we can give them role like administrator, because that's the role which we provide or use for the admin, and we can use user pass as whatever we want to say, like we can say new admin. All right, so if everything goes fine, we will be seeing user created and check id of that user. All right, so if we simply try to log in with that user credentials, we can do and check what it does. All right, so instead of admin we can set it to view admin and log in with that particular user. All right, it's taking some time but it worked. All right, so our user is there, and if I go to users, all right, both of our admin users are available there. All right, so that's how we make few most important things once we have done our installation. All right, and one major thing which we usually want to do is the password change for the admin user, because we will not be using our simple admin user for the admin. So how to do that? We can simply go to WP user command, and we can use update command. All right, so who to update? So we have to pass or provide the username of the user. For our case that is admin, and what we want to set, we want to set its password. All right, so what its password we want to keep? We want to see like new password. All right, so if we enter it, boom, it says our user got updated. So now first of all we have to verify. We can simply log out from our current user, and then we can obviously go for the admin user, and our password which we use is new password. So for admin user, we can try to play with the password as new password and try to log in. Boom, we have been into the website successfully. So these are most important commands which we have to play with once we are done. All right. So once we have created few users, so we can simply run WP user list command to see all our available users and obviously their roles. All right. So we have successfully installed our WordPress. We have successfully adjusted our name, user, password, and we have also created our client user account. So in the next video, we will be proceeding with the actual implementation of our website. Like we will be using commands to install plugins, themes, and rest of the things. All right. Until then, have a nice time. See you in the next video.